Hi everyone, this is Adonis Anastasiou, and in this video I'm going to share with you a few tips on how to promote your hotel. Well, the first and most important way to promote your hotel is through Google Ads. Google search ads, to be specific. What are Google search ads? Those are the ads that appear on the top and at the bottom of the first page of Google search. So for example, if someone is looking for a hotel in Athens and you have a hotel in Athens, then they're gonna see your ad on the top of the Google search engine. If you have a hotel in Barcelona, then if someone searches for hotels in Barcelona, then it's gonna see your ad on the top of the Google search results. Google search ads is what made Booking. Booking doesn't own any types of hotels, doesn't own anything, but they have been made so popular because of Google search ads. Because whatever you're looking, if you're looking for a hotel apartment, or if you're looking to stay somewhere and you type in, hotels in Barcelona, Booking is going to show up on the first page of Google and actually on the top section of Google. If you're searching for hotels in Los Angeles, then again, you're going to see Booking ads. So Booking, TripAdvisor, Hotels.com, all those types of online booking operators have made their money from Google search ads. So if you're a hotel owner, if you own hotel apartments, if you want to rent out your facilities, then Google search ads should be your priority. We're coming out of lockdown, so people will be eager to book and stay in a hotel. So you have to set up your Google ads in time, because always people search online, they search on Google, and then afterwards they go and make the booking. So if the people are going to stay, in August, they're not going to make their first search on August. Actually, we see that people start making their plans and start making their searches online as soon as the weather becomes a little bit better. So in April, May, or even June, we have a lot of searches from people that are planning to travel to another country or travel within their country, and they are searching to find a hotel to stay in. So Google search ads are really important for any hotel owner out there that wants to promote their hotel. Now, the second best way to promote your hotel is with Google Display Network and remarketing, which means if someone is planning to go to, let's say, to Barcelona, okay, and they are searching for hotels in Barcelona, they see your ad, they click on it, and they visit your website. But they search it in April, but they're planning to go on August. So if they just saw your ad on Google search, by the time they're gonna go and book it, okay, which might be after 2 months or so, they might forget your hotel. So in order to do that, you have to do remarketing with Google Display Network ads, which means that you set up your search ads. So if people are looking for hotel in Barcelona, they see your ad, they click on it, they visit your website. But when they visit your website, you place a cookie on their mobile device or on their computer. So your ad will be following them for the next 90 days until they book a hotel. So if your hotel ad is following them whenever they go online for the next 90 days, then you have a higher probability of booking to your hotel instead of a hotel that they don't know. So Google search ads with Google display ads are one of the best tools for hotel owners to start making bookings and get out of this crisis. For a complete course on Google Ads, just visit my website www.adonisanastasiou, or you can find the link below at the description. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.